Hey, welcome back. I have a pair of sunglasses here I've had for like, my goodness, 7 or 8 years, and they just keep breaking here. I put them in my pocket and I do something and they break. And I've tried repairing them with super glue and everything, and I just gotten attached to them because I like the color of the lenses, can't seem to find anything else to match. So I'm going to try and repair these with the plastic repair kit. First I have to grind off the old super glue that I put on. And one of the things in the manual, one of the instructions said to see if it makes a fine dust when you sand it to determine what type of plastic this would be, and it does make a fine dust. So I have determined the type of plastic that it is, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to get all this super glue off, but if I can get down to some good plastic here and rough it up some, then I should be able to run a bead of plastic repair using a soldering tool and maybe force everything back together again. We'll see. Trying to stay away from the lens. So far I'm doing a pretty good job. Anyway, I don't know. I just decided to try this, see if it'd work. Nothing else seems to. So if this will work, I will be one happy camper. Yeah. Put my glasses back together again. What I'll have to do is hold that together like that, I guess. Okay, let me go get another clamp. Okay, I've clamped it together some more. I just want to kind of smooth it out. I have a helping hands tool instead of this thing I'm using here, but I just can't find it. And I'm sure it'll turn up after I complete this type of work. I also have a small vise that I couldn't find either. I know it's here. See everything shifting as I'm doing it. The plastic I'm using is not black, it's white. So this, may or may not look match very well, actually. But I gotta tell you, I don't care as long as it works. I have a couple other pairs of sunglasses I use for driving and things, and I like them too, but these used to be my driving glasses, but I like to wear them in the yard now. I can look at my trees and actually see a difference in whether they're needing water or not just by the coating on these lenses. They seem to bring out more of a green color. Okay, that looks good. Alrighty, let me go warm up the soldering iron. I'll be right back. Before I warm the iron up, I was going to show you, I'm going to be changing the tip. This is a feed tip, and I'm not going to really be feeding a lot of product into this. I just want to sort of put my other tip on and then meld over the top of that. Here's the control box, and it has the ratings for where to set the temperature on pertaining to whichever plastic that you're welding and the rod that you're using. You just set it for the required specification. Pretty cool. Okay, let me go change this tip. I'll be back. Okay, I believe the iron is heated up enough, and here's the tip I'm going to be using right here. And it is melting this a little bit. I got to leave it in the spot a little bit, but here's what I'm going to be using for the plastic. Now, I believe this is as close as I could get to, I believe, what these sunglasses are made out of. So I don't know, but I am going to try and get a little bit off of there. The process is you take a little bit off and then you work it in to the repair hole or spot. And take a little bit more off. This works better with flat plastics, but you know, if I'm not doing too bad with this round plastic rod either. Doesn't smell all too good, I'll tell you that. Of course, I don't have to use it all, but I want to make sure I got enough on here that if it breaks again, it'll do it in a different spot. That would be nice. Well, actually, no, it wouldn't. But it would tell me my repair held. A person could get good with this stuff and create things, I think. I'm going to put that down and get a better hold of this. I'm really amazed that the color is actually coming through as well. I went this way, go back the other way. You have to tell yourself that eventually you'll reach a spot that you're just not going to get it any better than what you have it, and then you have to say, yeah, I give up, you know. That's it. I've been known to not be able to find that spot and keep going to make things worse. But you know what? I think that's it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and turn everything off. Let everything cool down, take it apart, clean the lenses up, and see if it holds. If it holds, I'll put the video up on YouTube. Bye for now.